Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So if you're tracking your investments, you've probably heard of Portfolio Performance. It's a great tool, but as your data grows, you might hear people talking about Parquet. Today, we're breaking down the difference between these two and why it matters for your money, so you can make better decisions about how to store, analyze, and visualize your investment data. Portfolio Performance is a free, open-source program. It's designed to help you see how your stocks and bonds are doing. It actually calculates your returns, shows you pretty charts, and keeps everything organized. Most people save their data here, in a standard XML or binary file. This works perfectly for most investors because it's easy to use and carries all your settings in one place. It's like a specialized notebook made just for your financial history. You can track purchases, dividends, and account balances without worrying about formatting or file structure. For example, you can quickly generate performance graphs, see your portfolio allocation, or compare yearly returns, all in one interface. Now, let's talk about Parquet. Parquet isn't an app, it's a way of storing data. Imagine a normal spreadsheet where data is saved row by row. Parquet does it differently. It saves data column by column. This sounds technical, but here's why it's cool. It makes files much smaller and much faster to read. It's the industry standard for big data. If you have millions of transactions, or if you want to run complex calculations across years of history, Parquet is the gold standard for speed. Analysts often use Parquet in Python, R, or big data tools like Spark or Power BI, because it allows them to query massive data sets efficiently without running into performance bottlenecks. So which is better? It depends on your goal. Portfolio Performance is built for people. It gives you a user interface, buttons, and instant reports. You don't need to be a coder to use it, which makes it perfect for personal investors, or anyone who wants to track wealth without worrying about file formats or programming. Parquet, on the other hand, is built for machines and analysts. You can't just open a Parquet file and look at it like a photo. You usually need a data tool like Python or Power BI to read it. It's more suited for combining multiple data sources, running complex queries, or building large-scale investment analytics systems. Think of Portfolio Performance as a pre-built powerhouse. You can move in and start living, generating insights immediately. Parquet is more like high-quality bricks. It's excellent for building something massive, but you have to construct it yourself, from importing data to running analysis scripts. If you want to track your personal wealth without a headache, stick with Portfolio Performance, built for exactly what you need. But if you are a data scientist who wants to mix your stock data with massive external datasets, or run advanced analytics, you might export your data into Parquet format to do that heavy lifting efficiently. In short, use Portfolio Performance to manage your life and see your investments clearly, and use Parquet to manage your data when scale, speed, and integration are priorities. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.